Okay, welcome back. Terrible at fishing. Anyway, I want to share with you another simple way to rig a tube jig. So, we're going to use the Mad Bite Bass Tackle Kit, and I'm going to show you. If you've watched that video of mine already, just buy the thing. It's almost free. If you make money, I don't know. It's still on sale for 60% off. I mean, it's great at $29.99, but boy, jump on that baby. So, my favorite jig, or plastic in there, you'll see, is this one. I know, it's a plastic tube. Why is that my favorite? Because these work. These work. And they don't just work for bass, but trout. And let me tell you, I live in Oregon. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. So, in your kit, you're going to have this long one with a conical one. So, if you did this like a normal way, punch it in, you'd probably fall off. So what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to put it all the way, put the head in first. So, I gotta find its little rear end. There you go. You gotta find its rear end and put it in. Put it in all the way. Pull it down, and then watch this. Boop. That's it. Ha ha ha. That's it. And you've got yourself. Look at that. This is gonna be awesome. That is how you use that large tube. Just slide that jig in there and throw this and work it. So if you want, because it is hollow, you could put some bait, some scent in there if you want. So make it garlicky, because it smells like plastic, I think. But hey, make it smell like garlic. I hope this helps. Again, this is a great little kit. So jump on it. And I will see you guys out on the water. Take care, everybody.